In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple, passive cannabis investment opportunity which allows you to digitally purchase your own plant and profit from it over months and years to come. So stay tuned to the very end of this video as I'm going to be going over the Cannarald business, also known as CannerGrow, which is going to allow you to, like I said, purchase plants and profit from these. You're going to be able to share 50-50 profits with the company, and this is 100% passive. Now, my name is Dylan DeFazio with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and in this video we're going to be reviewing the Cannarald business. I'm going to be going over the business presentation, and I'm also going to be going over the back office with you guys. So make sure hit the subscribe button below if you are enjoying this content. If you guys want to see more videos on how to actually profit from this, I'm going to be coming out with a new video on this series every few days to help you guys start making some money, start getting referrals, because yes, you can earn some referral commissions by promoting this company. So Cannarald is a Swiss research and production company of cannabis. The company was founded in 2017 as a project of MSL Industries GmbH, which I have no idea what that is. The company's goal is to educate all generations that cannabis is not seen as an entry-level drug, but to point out the benefits of health and healing of cancer patients, to advance research in these areas, and to provide people with their own products. At the same time, the integration of a token also makes it possible for people to participate in the planting and sale of cannabis, even through the cultivation and consumption of these plants is unfortunately still prohibited in some countries. So this means that you're able to invest in this cannabis production company and profit without having to legally influctuate yourself or get yourself into any binds. Now they have several facilities. One is located in Switzerland. That's actually where my plant is located. There's one located in the United Kingdom, and they have new markets growing every single day, and they're expanding, which is great news. They're not just staying in one location, they're expanding worldwide, and this is great news for all of the investors. So CannerGrow, we grow for you. CannerGrow by Cannarald is a crypto project that was initiated and created by Cannarald. It aims to give people the opportunity to own a cannabis plant without having to take care of it themselves, and thus benefiting from the billions of cannabis market worldwide. We take care of the equipment, the cultivation, and sale. You benefit our know-how. Okay, so what this just means is the company is going to, like I said, grow the plants for you. You can continuously purchase plants and continuously scale your growth operation and let the company do all the hard work for you, and you can just sit back and profit. Now, the token sale is 17.5 million euro. That is the hard cap. Okay, so every 100 token are backed up with one plant. So 50,000 tokens, or 50,000 plants, is 5 million tokens. The profit of the plant will be split by all token holders and the company 50-50. So here's the plant's token sale. Okay, so you can get one plant is 100 tokens. Okay, so that's going to be 350 euro, and it's going to profit you 300 per year for its entire lifespan. Okay, so 10 plants, that's going to give you 3,000 euro per year. 25 plants, that's going to give you 7,500 per year, and 100 plants, that's going to give you 30,000 per year. Okay, so my goal is actually to get upwards of 100 plants. I would like to even hit 1,000 plants if that is at all possible. So definitely I'm going to be out there sharing this program, and I'm going to be teaching you guys at the same time how to actually build this business. Okay, So with the affiliate program, you're going to be able to earn unilevel compensation plan paying you up to 10% of your partner's plants and tokens within your first 5 levels. Furthermore, we offer you a residual bonus, which is paying you up to 20% bonus within your first 5 levels, okay? So that is a awesome compensation plan. So like you said there, you're going to earn 5% on your first level, you're going to earn 2% on your second. Level 3, you're going to earn 1%. Level 4, level 5, you're also going to earn 1%, okay? So that's going to total up to 10% in commissions through 5 different levels. Residual income, same thing, 10% on your level 1, level 2, 4%, level 3, 4, and 5, all at 2%. Okay, now this can grow very, very quickly. You can purchase right now with bank transfer or Bitcoin. I personally purchased with Bitcoin. That is my, that is one of the reasons why I actually joined this business, because it is a crypto slash cannabis business, which really, really piqued my interest. So they have lots of services. You can actually see live cameras of your grow op. You can also, Google Authenticate. They're fully responsive and they have 24-hour support, okay? So that is the business presentation. So before we end this video, I just want to jump into the CannerGrow back office, show you guys a little bit of what you would be seeing when you're here. So let me just refresh this page. So as you guys see here, we've already had 3 members go ahead and set up a free account. If you guys want to join the team, all you have to do is click the link. There'll be a link in the description below. You'll be able to set up your free account. Let me see if this, okay, so you'll be able to set up your free account. You'll log in. Your dashboard will be like this. There'll be this big buy now button, so you can click on that, and then you can purchase whatever plant package you want, okay? If you want to just get 1 plant, that's all I started out with, and I'll continuously be purchasing plants as the team commissions come through and as I get more personal funds to invest into this opportunity. Okay, so I have a few programs that actually earn me crypto on a daily basis, so I'm actually taking some of the funds and investing that into this CannerGrow business. Okay, so this is the back office. This is where you're going to see your team. You can see all your plant sales right here. Under team, you can see all of the people that have joined in, members within your first 5 levels. You can also scroll down and see all of your members for the 5 levels, and it also breaks down all of your earnings, which is pretty cool. Okay, so you can see all your finances there, and then they also have some marketing tools which you can use, so you can leverage some of their logos. They have some clips which you can go ahead and share on social media. I've actually downloaded the CannerGrow introduction and put it on YouTube, and that has actually generated me a few members as well. Okay, so there's also going to be documents with the business presentation, which is what we just went over. All right, and then you have your registration page and your landing page. Okay, I'm currently sending everybody to the CannerGrow registration page, and I'm also working on a copy and paste 3-step system. These systems have generated me endless amounts of team signups on complete autopilot, and I think this is going to be a great business to team up with one of my systems. So that system should be launching here very soon. I might even use this video as the first video, as the introduction video to CannerGrow. So if you guys are watching this, make sure just hit that button below, join CannerGrow. You won't regret it. Invest in your first plant and start making some income off of the cannabis industry. Okay, under status, you're going to see your plants. Okay, so as you see, mine is in Switzerland. We're in room Bravo, and we bought it on 8/13/29. So that is today. I actually purchased it last night. Okay, and then you can see locations. So all of these locations are going down, right? So mine is under maintenance right now. So once it's finished maintenance, then we'll actually go ahead and start harvesting. So there's also a location in Macedonia. There's also a location in England. Okay, so tons of locations out in this company, and there's going to be more locations going live here as the months and years go on, okay? If you guys want to purchase some merchandise, that will be coming soon as well. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it and you're watching it on YouTube, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching it on the sales page, make sure hit that link below. Go ahead, set up your free account, look over the back office, do your research on the company. You won't regret it. And then go ahead, and once you've actually set up your first plant and purchased your first plant, make sure message me on Facebook so that we can start building your team, so that you can start building more plants and start profiting from this amazing passive income opportunity. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any questions. And if you enjoyed this video, again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and then this channel can get monetized and I can come up with more videos for you guys on a daily basis.